Nagsagawa ng turnover of command ng 9th Infantry Spear Division sa Camp Elias Angeles sa San Jose dito sa Camarines Sur. Formal nang isinalin kay Major General Jeffrey Sudusta ang pamumuno ng Infantry Division mula kay outgoing commanding Brigadier General Arsenio Arugay.
Defeat the enemy, take care of the men, and manage the resources.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Sergeant, I'll do my best to leave the night in confidential.
Dinaluhan ni General Alexander Yano, Commanding General ng Armed Forces of the Philippines bilang presiding officers at keynote speaker ng seremonya. Kaugnay nito, pinarangalan din ang naging accomplishments ng dating Commanding General na si Arugay. Sa ilalim naman ng bagong pamunuan na gaya ng paniniwala ng militar at ni Yano, isusulong ni Sudusta ang pagpapanatili sa kapayapaan ng buong Southern Luzon.
Should be directed towards the accomplishment of that mission, which is the defeat of the enemy. But we cannot do it alone. We need the involvement, the partnership of the other sectors of the community, including the media and plain civilians in the Bicol region.
Mula rito sa Pili, Camarines Sur, Alan Manansala para sa UNTV News Worldwide, at ito ang balita.